About to teach you how to make a fruit of life. And the blessed apple. Okay. Damn, why did I leave? Okay. To make this blessed apple, you're gonna need to come here. Talk to this fat man. You buy an apple. Then, I forgot. You need a fruit. Shit. Okay, whatever. Then you wanna go. Wait. So, you wanna go to this island right there. Boom. Look at this. Find this guy. My baby. Okay. Then you go to Gloria. Oh, snap. You fly all the way to the end. And boom. Then you find Priesty. Oh shit, wait. Talk to him, and then you should get this blessed apple. Boom. See that? From apple to blessed. That's what you need. Then then you can go to the crafting guy, but you need, okay, you need to find a devil fruit, just any devil fruit, and just take the blessed apple and the devil fruit to the crafting guy, and then you can craft one of these. Fruit of life, simple. That's how you craft it. Simple, easy. My cat is going crazy. I'm gonna stop this video and go kick it.